Hi everyone, this is Isa and I work for the Greater Valley YMCA. Today we're going to be learning about patterns by doing an art project. We're going to be making a pattern caterpillar, and in order to do that we're going to need a manila folder, three different colors of construction paper, and I'm using red, yellow, and blue. We'll also need scissors, glue, something to trace circles. So I am going to use the top portion of a cup and the bottom part too. I'm also going to use square cut out. Okay. And so in order to do a pattern, we're going to do an AB pattern. We're going to use two different shapes and two different colors. And the first step to do that, you're going to use the top portion of your cup and trace it. So trace along and then cut it. Okay. It's going to look like this. Then you want to cut at least 6 smaller circles, and you're going to trace that around. And I'm using blue for that. You can use any different colors. You can actually let your child choose. So that's for the circles, blue. And I am also going to use the yellow. I'm going to trace the squares around and cut them out. Okay. Make sure that when you're cutting, or if the child's cutting, that they keep their fingers away from the scissors, so stay safe. So you cut it out, cut them all out. And you have a couple squares. So we're gonna do our caterpillar, and we're gonna start off with the head, the big circle first. So I'm gonna glue some glue. Glue it. So because we want another shape or color, we're going to use the square ones, and we're going to glue onto that. So put that here. So it's blue, yellow, blue. Then comes yellow. And as you're working with your child or different kids, you kind of ask them what color comes next. So you can say, or shape. You can say blue, yellow, what's next? Or I wonder what shape it is that's coming up next. So it's circle, square, circle, square, circle. And you want to make sure when you're doing a pattern that it repeats at least 3 times. So this would be 1, 2, and 3. So then the next one would be square, a yellow square. Then another circle. Okay. So this is our pattern caterpillar. Now you just want to finish up touching it. Your child will want to probably cut out the eyes, cut out the legs, and glue onto them. But for this, I'm just gonna draw. Okay, so you can draw the eyes, the antennas, the eyes, and so on, and a smile. Okay, so this would be AB AB pattern. Okay? And the ABC pattern will be similar to this, but instead of using two colors or two shapes, it would be three. Okay, so it would look like this. And this is for more for the kids that know what a pattern looks like rather than the kids that still need help with that. Okay, so an ABC pattern will look like this. And for that, I use um, hearts. And we're going to start with a heart for this. And you can use the same shapes for different colors, but because I already cut them out, I am going to use the same ones. So we have a heart, we have a circle, we have square. So it'd be heart, circle, square. So what would be next? And the kids can tell you your heart. Okay. Some of them. Your heart. Then it's a blue circle. And you have heart, circle, square, heart, circle, the heart, or square, I should say. I'm sorry, thinking about grabbing a heart. A heart, and there. This one. Square. And you can draw, like I said, you can draw your caterpillar. So this is your ABC, ABC, ABC pattern. AB, AB, AB. Okay, A, and then it will be a B. So I hope you enjoyed this activity as much as I did, and I look forward to seeing you again.